Is it possible to switch between different Instagram accounts in the same app?
Hello there. Today, we're going to answer a question many Instagram users often wonder. Is it possible to switch between different Instagram accounts in the same app? The short answer is yes. This video will take you through a step-by-step guide on how to do this, making it a breeze to manage all your Instagram profiles.
Can you have multiple Instagram accounts on one app?
Instagram understands that many people manage more than one account. You might have a personal account, a business account, or maybe even a fan account for your favorite celebrity. So, Instagram allows you to add up to 5 accounts on one app and easily switch between them without having to log out and log in every time.
How to add an additional account?
To add a new Instagram account, follow these steps. 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. 2. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. 3. Tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right of your profile. 4. Tap Settings at the bottom of the menu. 5. Scroll down and tap Add Account. 6. Then either tap Create New Account or Log into Existing Account. 7. If you're logging into an existing account, enter your username and password, then tap Login. If you're creating a new account, follow the on-screen instructions.
How to switch between accounts?
Now that you've added your other accounts, switching between them is super simple. Here's how. 1. Go to your profile. 2. Tap your username at the top of the screen. 3. You'll see a drop-down menu with your added accounts. 4. Simply tap the account you want to switch to, and voila, you're there. In conclusion, managing multiple Instagram accounts has never been easier. Remember, you can add up to 5 accounts and switch between them without needing to log out and log in every time. So, feel free to diversify your Instagram experience and manage all your accounts seamlessly. We hope this guide was helpful, and thank you for watching.